okay. If you are seeing me like this, I don't get fuel. I don't get my fuel. God knew it. Yes. I want you all to know that I am for everybody and I am for nobody. Yes. I did QCs for like 2 weeks now. If I fuel for my motor, which is very big, if I buy small, they will say fuel don't finish. Before I go drive, come out, the tank go there show empty. Anyway, my people, now welcome. I know how the thing be now. Before now, it was the red with 3 drivers they drive without the 4th one. But the 4th one I don't finally get fuel for the own part of the bus. So now the bus don't complete.
Yes.
It is the red, and my name it is Elenu. I get always the ancestor of Nigerian comedy, MC Shaggy. Moving on, and also the author one of Nigerian comedy who was rebranded to Afro to Skin.
Thank you very much. My people, now welcome. This one I the red. We don't show again. Open, I don't sit down. Make on a wash.
All right, and finally, the man will be say, come June 28th, you go see him and he gang for Muson Center. Chakara.
Okay, it's very difficult when there's no food and you're planning a show.
well,
you don't say planning a show, need running around, moving around, and everything.
People can trek from Lagos to Abuja to go and congratulate His Excellency. I don't see any problem with people trekking from their house.
Those trekkies, they are the cause of this fuel scarcity.
Yes!
When government says, these citizens, they can actually trek around.
So let's hold the fuel.
So let's hold the fuel.
No, for now, why don't cry? Everybody
but meanwhile, Leno, very important too. June 28th, no be play. Yes, that's my day.
You like say this is June 28th, don't make you forget.
Moving on, before you want
no proverb again. Let's move on. June 28th is the proverb. Muson Center is the meaning.
We don't know if they be for the red, and the way the thing not be now, we don't make us the one I go understand and we go tutorial for body. For the first segment, what we get for here today, what it is called? Cheers.
Laugh out loud.
Yes, in case you don't understand, laugh at that part where we go talk this way, we say, now you're laughing. You go on hold it, team, but you laugh.
Those boys are funny.
For the first video, we're lucky side, I don't know where this is, but one fowl and one dog for an area, they come together to make Nigeria a better place. Let us look in at the video.
Bobby, what do you do for my house?
Hey, have fun now, baby.
You know, come up for my house.
Show, come inside. Come inside, madam. Baby, come inside now. I go scatter this house if you know it. I go scatter this place. Come in, break. Come here now. Why they do like say you know as they go? Come here. Waiting they do you.
Leave me. No, they drag me. Leave me. I go slap you. Leave me alone, Bobby.
No, they shout.
Why they carry me? I bet leave me. I go tell my daddy. Leave me alone.
Stay one place now. Why they do?
What did they fight for my house? Leave me. Bobby, they go now. You don't see chicken and dog. Leave me alone. I bet go. Leave me, Bobby. Leave me. I go slap you. You think I don't get strength? Bobby, I say leave me. Leave me. Leave me, my daddy go come find you. Leave me, Bobby.
Oh yeah, wait.
I say leave me.
Wait, make I just stay.
Oh, people have been wanna call help me. Have been wanna call help me. What thing you they do? Leave me alone. No, leave me. Hey, make I come out. So this Bobby.
See, no they call Papa for this matter. Relax. Hey, are you there?
Hey, Bobby, no they hold my neck. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. You dey press me, Bobby. I bet ma come out. Leave me. What thing you dey find? What thing you dey find? I beg. Tell me.
Stay.
Leave me, leave me.
See, you know this thing.
Leave me,
See, you know they shout.
Hey, Bobby, I don't say don't leave me.
No make noise.
Leave me.
Hey,
Never force.
Come where you they go? Where you they go?
I look like dog for your eye.
Stop
Bobby,
shouting. You are a big girl.
Leave me alone. I don't know. Hey,
I'm not gonna let you go because see this thing. It's not this small matter. Because you they hold me. I say, come here. What's wrong with you?
Hey, God.
Stay there.
Child, there is God. Leave my way.
Well, when power change hands, things will change. Remember, we are in the government of change and things not change. Yes, sir.
Meanwhile, now today, I know say all women are the same, both in animal and human.
Men are also the same, both animal and human.
You know why I say so? That door was very open. If that fowl won't run, come outside, run. He did it, they leave me. Leave me. You know, that's not get Stop it. Why? normal girl we don't want. I should call it. Hold your hand. Stop that. Don't stop that. What do you mean? Hey, we gonna say you don't want.
Yes.
But leave me here.
But seriously, before all these animals feel know about all these things, them see the area where they're there. Now, Baba things they have.
I swear to God.
You know, say
this,
even this Bobby of a dog, himself na bad boy, man use boy. You know what also? Why you no rush the fowl for outside? Who tell us say they carry woman enter house?
Woman enter house.
You know the way our garden when they do meeting behind closed doors. So you do things behind closed doors so that everybody come over they can't get evidence. Only this thing can only happen in Lucky Shine area. Yeah. And they could have not been saying that the matter end. The matter no end for there. It end when the fowl can go call the papa to come fight Bobby.
Bobby Papa?
Yes, Bobby Papa. Let us look at the video. We could not say this word is not small something. Change.
Come here. No run. You don't say your picture won't touch like my dog. You can't run. Today I go deal with you. I go teach you lesson. You don't look me. You don't look. Come here.
See what? If Bobby do, not be me, you go dey meet now. Waiting, I be Bobby. Leave me do this.
You tell me Bobby come touch light on me for no house.
See this boy.
Where you? So you no get mad like your pikin. Stand. Oh yeah. Stay now.
If I vex here, if I vex.
Stay.
Leave me.
I go rush you come see your lazy man. Stand now.
Leave me, Oga. Wait.
You dey tell me say.
You say wait. Come see. No. Leave me alone. Wait. Waiting in do.
Ma time you where. I go
calm down. Let's settle this amicably.
Stay where now.
You say wait.
No one fight. You.
No.
Look, come back here. You don't say your pikin do bad things. Almost see this guy. Hey, me.
No, they try that one for me. I say I will talk to him. Relax. Relax. I will talk to him. We are both grown men. We can
stay where.
You know they
stay where.
Hey, come.
Position.
Okay.
Now we have big targets. We have big targets. Yeah, you don't fear. See this guy.
Don't try me.
Even your pikin to me this, he won't stand me.
Oh, this man.
Your pikin to my daughter something. You won't stand me. Stand where? Oh yeah, stay. You don't see.
Oh, this guy. See. Hey, if I never ready for you. Hey, I know they follow small pikin.
Look at this man. Hey, so that when you come picking next, they're gonna have to train her.
See, as I okay.
See, lazy man, don't go
cross this line where I did.
You see, wait, if I cross the line, I go cross her.
Calm down.
I mean, man start.
As I day up, so just leave me where I did.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Cross this place.
They come. You don't beg. You don't change mouth.
Cross am now.
Don't they change mouth. I don't already threaten you. Wait till I even do you again.
What I do
all
now?
the thing I called you, no stand, man. Deal with you.
See. Let this be the last time.
Man near you, bless I feel near you. Say, brother, but my blood see the hot. Not be say we be neighbor for this area. See what for do you? I swear, police for not said to us.
What
now? Truth I tell you so.
I look like a child to you.
For real now. Your girl say my pikin gonna escape your pikin. Suppose your pikin too pass like that. By now, go your spirit night for the run, not be use your real body again. They worry you.
No time.
Where is the foul police and the dog soldiers?
We need them.
Where are they?
We need them.
Look at riot everywhere.
They need to carry this to
they say dog police. So our Nigerian police they handle any situation. If you go report to them and say, Lucky Shine dog bite my fowl, they go take up the case as far as you call report. Anything will go bring money.
Not be lie you talk. This one is serious statement. This one is serious case. I don't see where police arrest
goat. We know about that time.
Arrest goat.
When they say the goat now winch or something.
The girl shout. Shout tire make them deliver.
Oh, but wetin give that fowl mind to stand that dog? You know, you get that, you go report matter give your pa no go want know who that person be.
Yes, you never hear that say small body no be big baby, small body no be say anything. You can't only say that you call here, everybody here. Your pikin here dey drum my pikin enter room. You no go train your pikin. But I know the way the thing they be for eye they read this eye they read that. If you get any news, you get video like this, maybe your fowl and your dog or your cockroach and the rat when they cockroach for your house and the rat for another person's house.
Yes.
And they're two quarrel. You know hard. Just bring up. Send that to us for eye they read at wazobiatv.tv. And don't forget to follow us on Twitter where be at eye they read. at IDRed. For Facebook service, if you come, like our page, Facebook.com/IDRed. Just like the page and bring your videos, upload any funny thing. We is coming back. This bus is still moving. There's 4 now, yes. 4 a day. We are coming.
Yeah, let's move.
There's 4. We are moving on.